weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Belmont, Guernsey, Monroe, Muskingum, and Noble, and the following counties in West Virginia: Brooke, Marshall, Ohio, and Wetzel, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Greene and Washington. Flash flood watch in effect from 6 a.m. this morning through this evening. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood watch for portions of western Maryland, east central Ohio, southwest Pennsylvania, and West Virginia from 6 a.m. this morning through this evening. From heavy rainfall with several wave of showers and thunderstorms. Expect 1 to 2 inches of rain with locally higher amounts. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Now here is the synopsis. The advance of a strong cold front has brought showers and thunderstorms to the upper Ohio region for today. For East